Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to reset Acura TL Oil Life 2004. Turn the ignition to on without starting, then use the select knob to reach the oil life screen. Press the knob to select and hold it down firmly until the display flashes 100%. Release the knob, confirm the reset, and cycle the key back to OFF. This method is the only way to reliably reset the oil life. Start by sitting comfortably in the driver's seat with the key ready. Turn the key to on so dash lights activate, but the engine stays off. Use the select/reset knob to scroll to the oil life display and press to select. Keep holding the knob down steadily until the percentage resets to 100%. After it confirms, turn the key to OFF, and the system will remember the reset. Many people try to start the car before resetting, which blocks the menu, so avoid that step. Another frequent error is releasing the reset knob too quickly, so hold it until the display confirms 100%. Also, make sure you are using the select/reset knob and not the trip meter control. Stay patient, press firmly, and follow the steps exactly for a successful reset every time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.